You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno. We are looking at how to say with a typical Italian pronunciation the name of this delicious dish. We'll be looking at how to say more delicious food names from Italy. So in Italian it's said as melanzane, melanzane being Italian for eggplant, alla Parmigiana, melanzane alla Parmigiana. It's easy. So in English, if you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, you can say melanzane alla Parmigiana. Some might say it as melanzane Parmigiana. In Italian you would have this alla in the middle. Melanzane alla Parmigiana. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.